makita niyo po yung view ng Yas Water World. Hi, Mi! Si hi, Mi! Hi! Ito yun. Oh. Ito kami alauna ba? Alauna ba ngayon? Guys? Ayan oh. So, bring your kids here. So nice. Okay. Ayan.
Where's the new one? The new one is closed also?
The new one is open.
But which
So we're going to new one, guys. We will try the rides. Ito. Saan ba?
Brad, sister, where's the new one?
Going to new one, new pace. The new slides. Going here? Ah, here. Thank you. Oh.
Right, you went here?
Oh, ito.
Yeah, we went here so far.
Right here. So nice here. So we're going this way. I'll show you for the kids. Ayan. Ayan, ang saya dito. Ayan. Most of the slides here is closed. I don't know, we don't know. So we check. There's a new slide. Wow. This is the roller coaster, but it's closed now. And this is the diving area. See? As you can see, mga guys, oh, it's so nice. Me. Me. Ayan o, the sneak. Ha? Yun o. Papunta na kami sa bagong slide, guys. So, come on. Let's get it on. Ito yung lazy river, o tingnan mo, lazy talaga kasi sirado eh. Sirado na eh. So yan o, sinirado. Wow! It's a big fish. We'll see. Wow.
Let's go here.
Where's Mira? Why not going there? Huh? Don't be scared. Eh, may plano kami punta doon kaso lang sobrang taas guys eh. So, dito lang muna kami. Para relax ba?
Bawal, sirado?
Ito yung bago nilang slides.
What?
Ma, I don't know what the orange one where you go. So I go the other one. I go to the other side there.
Ayan, the red and the
Yun sa kabila, yun si Ferrari World. Yan oh. Hello everybody! So, nakarating na kami sa bahay. So, naanami diribay. So, magandang experience sa Yes Water World at highly recommended talaga. So, ang mga bata at ako nag-enjoy din. So, thank you and see you for the next video. Paalam!